For many new programmers, choosing a programming language to specialize in will be a crossroad that they will have to face sometime in their journey, like choosing a class, legend, or weapon in a video game. Programmers are met with the same predicament. Today, we will be exploring the depths of this rabbit hole that comes from this question. First, finding your playstyle. There are many playstyles for a fresh developer. From the most popular and easily adoptable like UI UX, scripting, or web development, to the most obscure like combat designers and race engineers. With different jobs and roles, there will be a programming language better suited for a specific job compared to the rest. For example, if you want to go into machine learning, Python would be your programming language of choice. With its simple syntax and well-supported and established libraries, Python outclasses every other language in this field. Sure, you can do machine learning in other languages like Golang or JavaScript. However, you will be missing out on the optimized libraries that Python has to offer. Therefore, Python is a better programming language compared to the rest. After you have found your playstyle, the language that you choose will come naturally. For example, iOS development will require you to learn Swift. Web development will require you to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And machine learning will be Python. But why specialize in a programming language in the first place? Aren't programming languages just a tool? If you understood how that tool works fundamentally, then there would be no need to specialize in one. You could pick up a new tool and it would be about the same. This is true to a certain extent. Conceptually, all programming languages are Turing complete. If and else statements work the same everywhere and you can never run away from loops. Though all programming languages follow the same rules and concepts, they have special features that separates them from each other. These features give programming languages an edge over others. For example, TypeScript has type safety, Python is basically English, C is performant and a low-level language, and JavaScript is special. It is true that all these languages have the same programming concepts like for loops, if-else statements, Boolean operations, and more. However, they have special features that a developer has to know or master to use the language optimally. You can solve the same LeetCode question using all these languages, but the time it takes you to do so will differ based on your understanding of the language. The programming language you choose to specialize in does matter. The language you choose will dictate your job or role in a company while defining how good you are at that job or role. The ability to write clean, readable code and work at a job you like comes down to the language you choose. So choose wisely.